Grumpy, you like the fish oil in your food? Yeah, good fish oil? Oh, good fish oil. Good fish oil? I know, it's good stuff, eh? I know. That's good fish oil in your food. A little bit of kibble? Oh, that's tasty stuff, eh, Grumpy? Whoa. Nobody's even touching you. Oh, Grumpy, that's good stuff, eh? Shelby's about to have a Good? We'll send that to Lisa and say, oh, look, you have a fish oil and some dog kibble in my food and I'm eating well. I know, eh?